Decided to move your investments elsewhere or simplify your finances? If you're worried about making mistakes when closing an account, you're not alone. Today, we're closing a Charles Schwab account properly. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. You have two main options: transfer your assets to another brokerage, or liquidate and close the account entirely. Option 1. Transfer out to another brokerage. The cleanest method is an ACAT transfer. Initiate this from your new brokerage. They will pull the assets from Schwab. This avoids selling and potential tax consequences. Option 2. Liquidate and close. If you want to cash out, sell all your positions first. Once the cash settles, in 2 business days, you can withdraw the funds. Then call Schwab at 800-435-4000 to formally close the account. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: download all your documents before closing. Once your account is closed, you'll lose easy access to statements and tax documents. Download everything you might need for taxes or records before initiating the closure process. So, just like that, you can move on from Schwab without headaches or unintended tax bills. A proper closure process goes a long way in preserving your financial records. Now I'm curious, what was the main reason for deciding to close your Schwab account? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.